Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making pan-seared octopus served with garlic salad and pickled veg. Below I'll post a list of all the ingredients that you need for this dish. After all that is done, you then want to go ahead and cut your vegetable into your desired size and shape. For this process, you want to take time as this will help to enhance the presentation of your dish. After all your veggies are prepped, you want to put them to the side. Then you want to go ahead and prep the star of the show, which is the octopus. After, you want to pickle your veg in vinegar and set it aside. This can be done days before. The longer the veg marinate in the pickle, the more the flavor intensify. Additionally, when choosing vegetable, variation of color is important as this will help to brighten up the look of your dish. The next step is creating my delicious puree. These will further amplify the presentation and give the dish some unique flavors as well. I have some pre-cooked veggies that I will be blending together to make my puree. After blending, you want to strain for a more refined texture. In this dish, I'm using 3 different types of puree, so I'll just repeat the process. Puree is a great type of garnish as this can be used as a color attraction for your dish or just a simple sauce. Storing your puree, you want to use a squeeze bottle as this will easily help with the maneuvering of pouring out your puree, and these are easily to reheat while the puree is inside. Once all your prep is done, I will go ahead and heat up my cast iron skillet. In a separate sauce pot, you want to add a cup of water, which you're going to use to boil your potato. This will serve as an accompaniment to your dish. To my cast iron skillet, I add 3 tablespoons of oil. You want to sear on both sides for 3 to 2 minutes. This is where the fun begins, which is plating. Before you start, ensure that the puree are warm. Then plate according to your preference. Watch as I add my veggies and octopus to make a presentable, delicious plate.
Into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Character.